Hello, welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to customize your website's checkout page on Berdu. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts. In this very first part, we'll cover the layout of the checkout page. Then, in parts 2 and 3, we'll discuss the forms and payment methods on the checkout page. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Make sure to click the like button below and turn on the notification bell as well. First, let's start from your Berdu website dashboard. Go to the Layout, click on Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation menu and choose Checkout Page. Now, you'll be taken to the Layout Editor for the checkout page. Click on the Settings option. Here, there are 4 main sections you can customize: Layout, Form, Design, and Text. In this video, we'll focus on the Layout, Design, and Text menu. As you can see, this is the default layout of the checkout page. You can customize the appearance of this checkout page by clicking this Change menu. You can choose the design, such as Pages, Scroll, Simple, or Mini. Select the one that suits your needs. Then click Done. You can also change the header. You can set it to display the store name like this, use a navigation logo, upload a custom logo of your choice, or select None to remove the header. Then you can adjust the position of the form as you like. For example, you can place it on the left or the right side of the page. For mobile layouts, you can check by clicking on this mobile icon right here. If needed, you can adjust the form position specifically for mobile views by changing the settings. You can place the form at the top or the bottom. This setting is specifically for mobile, so it won't affect the desktop layout. Now, let's return to the desktop layout. Scroll down a little. When visitors click the Complete Order button, they'll be redirected to what we call the Thank You page. By default, they'll be redirected to the Order Invoice page. However, you can change the target of this redirection. For example, you can set it to redirect to a local page on your website, a custom URL, or even messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. It's important to note that these settings apply globally. This means the redirection target will be the same regardless of the payment method your customers choose. If you want to set specific redirection targets for certain payment methods, we'll discuss that in another video. Now, let's move on to the design. In these settings, you can customize the appearance of the checkout page, such as the name color, text color, content color, and outline color. You can also adjust the name size, font type, and text size. If needed, you can even set the outline thickness, radius, and gap. As for the Done button, this is used to customize the default Complete Order button. You can change the text, update its color, and even add an icon to make it more appealing. For the icon, you can search from Berdu's library or upload your own icon. Let's move on to the text section. You can customize the text displayed in the forms, such as customer information, shipping address, and more. To edit a specific text, locate the text field you want to change. For example, let's edit the customer information label. Just replace the text in the input box with the text you want, and you're done. It's that simple. The same method applies to other text fields as well. If you want to hide certain fields, such as the shipping address, just find the corresponding text field in the settings and replace it with a dash symbol. Once you do this, the text will disappear. When you're finished, click Done. Now, let's preview the mobile layout again. As you can see, the checkout page is quite long. For visitors to complete their order, they have to scroll all the way down to find the Complete Order button. To solve this, we can add a floating button that remains visible as visitors scroll through the page. To add a floating button, create a new section and search for the floating button option. By default, two buttons will appear. You can delete one of them and edit the other. Customize the button's color, design, and text as needed. The most important part is to set the button's target to the checkout page. Essentially, this floating button serves the same purpose as the complete order button at the bottom of the page, but it stays accessible throughout the checkout process. Once you're satisfied, click Done, Done, and Save, and your changes will be applied. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you in the next video.